I got this. What do we have here, right? Created this page, and you know how to do that. Just add new pages and add new. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some code here that will bring all of the downloads there. Right, so I just pasted it in, but let me show you what I pasted in. Right, I pasted in this. Right, right. So you have this SDM underscore show underscore D1 underscore from underscore category and then category underscore select. Right. Um, so this is how you do it. And this, so what you do, you copy this into every page. And you change the year 5 to year 4, year 3, year 2, year 1, that sort of thing. Right? This year 5, this slug is this here. You see this? That little part there. Is also really, if you look at the downloads and you go to categories, so let's save this. Okay, I think it's saved there, right? Um, and you go across to this downloads thing, you go to categories, you go there and you find CF5, this is the same thing there, right? Slug, right? CF5. So I created these categories, so what was it you? Right? These categories are here, right? And now all you need to do is insert these things here by each. So I'm going to do year 4. Right. Right, go to pages here, all pages. Already created um already created all the pages here. Alright, so you can see all the pages here. 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do 4. Edit it. Come here. You could go on the text side. You see text and visual. You could paste it on either one. So if I click this URL, this will happen. I could paste it there. But for you to see what's actually happening, paste it in text right here, right under the worksheets and resources title, Control V, right, and see everything there. Where the slug is, we change that to 4. Change 5 to 4. Right. Sure, don't have anything there. Right, so you don't have any downloads here, right? But it's ready for downloads when you put your downloads in full, right? So that's how you do it. You can do it for the other two, for 6 and 7, year 6 and year 7, right? So this is how it looks. Let's show you the site, see how it looks. If we go here, you see here 5, click on that. There you go. Well, these are your year 5. Some are English and some are maths because you had both of them as as a joint category. Year 5 mathematics. Right, look at your and go to downloads. Downloads. Right, you can see that you have grammar year 5, then you have mathematics year 5. So both grammar and mathematics will appear because the page that we created was a year 5 page. Right, so everything here will appear. And that's it. Right, so yeah, so that's about the size of it.